Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is absolutely perfect for soothing your sore back, whether you're at the office or whether you're at home and you're looking to kick back and relax. And that is, it is an ultra slim chair massager. This was sent over by a company called COMFIER. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. It comes in a little box back here. Very, very thin profile. So it's not pushing you at the end of your seat. You can put this in. It's very, very comfortable to sit in. It's only about 3 inches to the end of the roller. So it doesn't take up a lot of room at all. Now it's about 17 inches wide and about 23 inches in height. As far as strapping it to the chair, very, very easy and very secure. It has this kind of like X bracing that buckles right here in the middle. So you can easily just put it around your chair and it's gonna stay in place, which is another nice aspect that I love about it. The material itself is made out of a nice faux kind of leather, so it's very easy to wipe clean and all that kind of stuff if you spill anything. And it looks very much like a chair. You kind of got the headrest, the main area in the middle, and then the side parts. Then it just plugs into a standard outlet. You have plenty of cord length, so if your outlet's not right by your desk, you got room to get to an outlet. And then you have your nice little remote control that's gonna control everything that you need to operate the device. Now, first off, go ahead, hit that power button and it will turn on. Now, the first button you're gonna notice is the positioning button. It's gonna basically allow you to do a massage of your full back or focus on your upper back and then your lower back. So your full back is green, your upper back is yellow, and then your lower back is red. Now, all the way at the bottom, you're gonna notice a spot button. Once you get it into a position, you can press that and it will focus. So if you have like a specific knot in a spot, you can go ahead and hit that spot button and it'll kind of work that area. You're gonna notice there is 2 rollers on here that are essentially going up and down, and they're doing that kneading. And then each roller itself has essentially 5 little nodes in there, so they're kind of going in an arc. Feels really, really good. Now, as far as intensity levels, it's gonna have 3 intensity levels. I personally like the strongest level. I feel that one's the best, but if my back is sore, I'll usually do the middle one. So green is the weakest, yellow is the middle, and red is the highest. Then finally below that, you're gonna have the little flames. That is the heating mode. So this does have 2 temperature options. You can have it on low or high. The heat does heat up pretty fast, and it's gonna be wherever the rollers are. So it's not the whole kind of back, it's as the rollers are moving. If you do want it to just be kind of perfect heat when you get started, go ahead and just run it and let it do its thing for a little bit, then turn it off, start it up again, and it's gonna kind of retain that heat, if you will, and then go ahead and give you that nice full massage. Now, it will run continuous until it turns off. I think it turns off at about 30 minutes. I haven't really fully timed it out, but that's just kind of what it feels like. But it does turn off, so that way it's just not running all day long. But overall, like I said, it works absolutely great, and as you can hear, it is incredibly quiet. So if you are in the office and somebody's sitting right next to you, they're not even gonna be able to hear this thing. It is that quiet. It's been running the whole time next to my mic. So if you're in the market and you're looking for a great chair massager, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.